Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. That's so Rachel. As you can see by the title, today we'll be organizing and doing a declutter, whatever you want to call it, of all my beauty products, makeup, skincare, body care, perfume, whatever you want to call it, even stuff under here, under my sink, all my travel stuff. But anyways, yeah, you can see the rest of my bathroom. It used to be my parents', but they chose to have another bathroom in the house, so they kind of gave it to me. Yeah, I got lucky on that. I already have everything. Like, I'm so OCD and organized. Like, so it's like my hair care products right there, and this is all my body care products, my body scrubs, body washes, soap, face wash, razor hangs on the door, my little loofah, whatever it's called. So yeah, we don't need to organize that. So as you can see, the only part I really need to organize is this part, because this is like the main part that I use in the bathroom. Now there's some things I've already organized. So like, for example, my jewelry stand, these are like, you guys do not need to see my retainers. Holy crap, ew. Forget that. But I've already organized like my jewelry stand like a few days ago, so you guys don't, like, we don't need to do that. Brushes, sample perfumes, all my lip products that I don't currently use. These are all the lips that I currently use. Again, if you want me to make a video about all the beauty products that I use, all the makeup that I use, I will gladly do it. Basically, I already have organized this, guys, so I think I may leave this. Only thing I need to declutter, because these are my perfumes, by the way, best perfume in the whole entire century of worlds, of every single world, is Le Labo, another 13, don't at me. So guys, like I said, I've already shown you around my bathroom and everything. Ignore that piece of tape, that was from an old Justin Bieber photo that I had up there. Seize the day, you know what I'm saying? Ow, I just hit my heel really bad on the back of the jacuzzi. Anyways, guys, so like I said, all the other parts of the bathroom are pretty much already organized. Like even parts here, like on my vanity, are already organized. So all you guys are gonna see actually is me clean out the underneath of this. So here we go. So this is like my travel container. We'll keep that to the side because we're gonna need that. This, oh my gosh. So I organized this recently, like, not recently, but like probably within like the last 6 months or a year. And I'm very OCD and I'm very like big cleaner. So like this, like I have to like keep organizing stuff. Like it's like therapy to me. Like I love cleaning and basically I'm wifey. But I won't go into details on that because yeah. First aid kit, everyone needs one. I travel with this first aid kit. You can get a basic one at Target, Walmart, whatever. These I kind of use for makeup sometimes for traveling, but I probably don't need any of this, so I'll throw this away. This I call the fab bag because when I used to do pageants, it has your basic stuff like fashion tape, hair ties, nail file, all your sewing kit necessities, little pasties for your boobies. Yeah. So it's called the fab bag because it'll keep you looking fab. So I always kind of keep that in there for if I need it for traveling. This is my princess bag. As you can see, it is ratchet with makeup in it, but I use it for traveling. And you can carry this on the plane, whatever. But I use that for makeup. This is all my old hair care products. So it's like my hair dryer, like my old hair curlers. But I kept it in this like clear plastic case. My tanning extender for my spray tans. This is my current hair curler and clips and teasing brushes, which I need to put my hair straightener back in this. Oh my gosh. What even is this? Literally like all like lotions, old hair care products. This is my tanning primer. I do need these two to be like out in a main area because I currently use those. All my towels and washcloths, I do need to keep those in like a main area because I do use these. They were just like falling over all over the place though. So we'll put these back in the back over here by my other towels. Yo! Can everybody see this? This is a real authentic Chanel hair clip. And I feel like my mom gave this to me like years ago. And she got it at like a thrift store or something and just gave it to me. Yo, that is fly, boy. You gonna see me start to wear that. Woo! We'll put this back in here. So I'm gonna put all my towels and washcloths back. Literally done. This is what it looks like. I have makeup boxes, girl stuff, old hair, like my hair dryer and stuff in the back. My new toiletry case that I use for traveling. My like Q-tips and flossers and all that extra stuff. My curling iron straightener, my old lotions and sprays, first aid kit and towels. There you go, how to organize under your sink. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications because I'm serious about this YouTube thing, y'all, because I'm letting it run together with my Instagram, with my fashion and beauty stuff and all that. More videos on the way, like really cool videos. I've learned a lot about like YouTube recently, so I'm very excited for the cool YouTube videos to come. But anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. See you later.